Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a simple yet delicious Japanese side dish called Goma-ae Green Beans. It's a classic recipe that's perfect for a bento box or as a quick and tasty side dish. Let's get started! Start by trimming off both ends of green beans. Bring a pot of water to boil, add salt, and then add the green beans. Boil them for about 2 minutes. Drain the green beans and let them cool. While the green beans are cooling, mix together the ground sesame seed, soy sauce, and sugar in a bowl. Once the green beans have cooled down a bit, cut them into thirds. Toss the green beans with a sesame dressing until evenly coated, and you are done! This dish is not only easy to make but also incredibly tasty. It's perfect for bento boxes or as a quick side dish. You can even add a little mayonnaise for a different flavor. Give it a try. And there you have it, a simple and delicious Japanese side dish that you can easily make at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty Japanese cooking videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!